This is the large digital wall clock with remote control. Inside the box are the following: large digital clock, power cable and adapter, remote control, batteries, mounting holes guide, and user's manual. This is how to use this large digital wall clock. Put the included batteries to the remote control, insert the power cable to the clock and plug it into the outlet. You can use the cord storage compartment to hide the excess cord. You can control this digital clock by using the remote control and buttons at the back of the clock. Press the set button and you will see the ENG flashing. ENG means that the language is English. You can select different languages with pressing the plus and minus button. Press set to confirm and automatically enter your year setting. You can choose the desired year by pressing the plus or minus button and press set to confirm, and it will automatically enter month setting. You can choose the desired month by pressing the plus or minus button and press set to confirm, and it will automatically enter date setting. You can choose the desired date by pressing the plus or minus button and press set to confirm, and it will automatically enter hour time setting. You can choose the desired hour by pressing the plus or minus button and press set to confirm, and it will automatically enter minute time setting. You can choose the desired minutes by pressing the plus or minus button and press set to confirm. You can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit by pressing the C and F button. Press alarm set button to enter the alarm setting. AL1 appears at the bottom of the screen and flashes. Press the set button to enter the next setting. You can choose to turn on or off the alarm by pressing the plus or minus button and press set to enter the next setting. The time hour flashes. Press plus or minus button to increase or decrease the hour, and press set, and the time minute flashes. Press plus or minus button to increase or decrease the minute setting, and press set. To choose the alarm period setting, 1E means working every day, 2E means working Monday to Friday, 3E means only working on weekends. Press set to confirm. Press the timer button once to enter the timing mode, and the display will show the timing mode, and you can select the countdown time setting. Press the timer button to see the time display. There are 3 ringtones available on this digital alarm clock. And you can choose the hourly alarm setting. First, no chime. Second, hourly. Third, chime from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. is no chime. Here are the product features of this large digital wall clock with remote control. This digital clock has a power plug so you don't have to change the batteries often, and 2 keyholes for easy wall mounting and a fold-out back stand for tabletop or shelf placement. It is easy to set up, and you can easily set up clock with buttons on the device or the remote control. This digital clock has 3 modes: timer, alarm clock, and clock. And you can adjust it by pressing the mode button, and this is user-friendly design, available in 12 or 24-hour display formats with indoor temperature display in Celsius or Fahrenheit to meet your various needs. This large digital wall clock can show the time, date, month, day, and temperature. It also features 4-level adjustable brightness display, and the LED wall clock also can adjust the brightness as the light changes. It will not be too bright at night, and also you can turn it off if needed. This is the large digital wall clock with remote control.